Okay, so this is my dad trying to disassemble, or trying and failing to disassemble his gun.
I like shooting this weapon, but this original design of the M&P shield sucks. I have an M&P shield EZ, which is easier, but this thing, just to pull it back, requires about 100 pounds of pressure. And then the takedown, oh my God. There we go. All right, I've got it. What's happening?
Meanwhile, my gun's already disassembled.
All right, so what are we doing here? Got it rotated. Did that pop out? Can't remember.
Probably the hardest part of disassembling my gun was separating the spring from this.
Yeah, and I'm still on. What am I doing wrong here? Magazine release, safety. Oh, wait, that's a slide release, not magazine. There's no spring attention there. Frustrated. I'm about to throw this out the window.
You okay?
I know I've had it apart before. Is there something to do with this? If you rack it, it's just gonna lock back. There's something I gotta do extra here. It would make sense that I wouldn't have to, but I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video.
Yeah.